All right, today we're doing a punk Fink Doodle. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So if you picked up on that, I said Fink, and so there's an artist from the 60s hot rod days called Ed Roth, and he was known for these crazy characters with big mouths, and there was a whole slew of them. They're usually driving some type of hot rod of some kind. And so this was my take on it. So they typically have big mouths and jagged teeth. I figured at first I was going to make him, draw him with a helmet on, which is a character that he has called Dragnut. But I thought, you know what, let's switch this up. Let's make it mine. And let's put a small spiky mohawk on him. And then, of course, add a bunch of pimples and bumps and stuff. But another thing on this is that if you notice, it's blue background, blue ink. I was kind of going for a monochrome effect. I was just trying out different things. I figure, there's no rules. And I did try to do a really dark color blue in the mouth, and it was just too much contrast. So I went in with a textured kind of sketched pen that went in there. And for this one, I lightened it up and gave it kind of a cutout background kind of effect to it. It's kind of easy to do, but it's kind of wordy to say. But that's it. Hope you like it. Comment, like, subscribe, and take it easy. I'll see you around.